No coding, no problem. I made this Chrome extension in a minute. Click the icon and boom, the website turns dark. And if you click again, the website will come back to the light mode. This is simple and powerful. And yes, you can actually make money from extensions like this. Now let me show you how I actually built it. I created a folder called dark mode extension and added just three simple files, manifest.json, popup.html and popup.js. Then I dropped a code for each one of them. The manifest tells Chrome what the extension is. Popup HTML give us a button to click and popup.js runs the dark mode logic. That's it. Save everything and we are ready to load in Chrome. In Google Chrome, please enter the URL to get to extension. Also, make sure that developer mode is turned on. Then let's go to load unpack. And here we supposed to select the folder dark mode extension and this will be loaded to Chrome browser. Now let's go ahead and just make sure that we have pinned this extension to Chrome toolbar. Now let me tell you the clue. I created this entire extension using the free version of ChatGPT. No coding, just gave it a simple prompt. ChatGPT instantly gave me exact files I needed, the manifest, the pop-up and the script. I saved them in a folder and that's what you saw me load into Chrome. Please note that this extension is just a demo, a basic example to show you what's possible. You can create any extension you want based on your own idea. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comments what extension you want to build next. Thanks for watching, and now go and build something cool. Bye.